Hello children, do you know who is this? Let me tell you. He is Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar, who is also known as the father of the Constitution. Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar was born on 14th April 1891 and today is his birthday. Let me tell you more about Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar.
Dr. B.R. Ambedkar was India's first law minister and first Indian to pursue a doctorate in economics abroad. Originally, his name was Ambavadikar, which was changed to Ambedkar by his Brahmin teacher Mahadev Ambedkar, who was very fond of him. Born into a poor low Mahar caste in the town and military cantonment of Mahau in Madhya Pradesh, Ambedkar was the 14th child of Ramji Maloji Sangpal and Bhimabai Murbatkar Sangpal. His father was a ranked army officer in British East India Army. As his family belonged to Dalit caste, who were treated as untouchables, Ambedkar was subjected to discrimination since his childhood. In school, Ambedkar and other untouchable children were segregated and given little attention from the teachers. They were not allowed to attend the class inside the room. If the untouchables needed to drink water, someone from a higher caste would have to pour water from a height, as they were refrained to touch either the water or the vessel that contains water. This was usually performed for the young Ambedkar by the school peon, and if the peon was not available, then he had to go without water. The situation he later in his writings described as "no peon, no water." In the year 1897, his family moved to Bombay, where Ambedkar became the only untouchable enrolled into Elphinstone High School. In 1913, he moved to United States as he had been awarded a Baroda State Scholarship of 11.50 sterling per month for 3 years for postgraduate education at Columbia University in New York City. He passed his MA majoring in economics in 1915. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar was the first Indian to pursue a doctorate in economics from the foreign university. Dr. Ambedkar's contributions are innumerable to our country. He framed many laws for women laborers of India, which includes Mines Maternity Benefit, Women Labour Welfare Fund, Women and Child Labour Protection Act. He resigned from the cabinet when the parliament was unable to pass his bill to support women in gender equality. The person responsible for reducing the factory working hours from 14 hours to 8 hours was Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Reserve Bank of India has been adopted based on Ambedkar's instructions only. It took 2 years and 11 months' time for Ambedkar to prepare the constitution of world's largest democracy, India. Thus, he is known as the father of Constitution. Since 1948, Ambedkar suffered from diabetes and was bedridden. He died in his sleep on 6th December 1956. In 1990, he was posthumously conferred with India's highest honor, Bharat Ratna. Life should be great rather than long, were the words of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, which truly reflects his life journey.